Stick Aloe to your knee and feel a difference you didn't expect. It sounds strange, but it's an old, proven method for natural relief. Aloe has something special inside, but that's not the only ingredient. Cut a fresh, juicy aloe leaf. Now trim the sharp edges and slice it lengthwise in half. Inside, you'll find a cooling gel that soothes aching areas. Take a slice of the leaf and gently scoop out the pulp with a spoon. Whisk it with a fork until you get a smooth, uniform mixture. Transfer it to a pan. Add a tablespoon of VapoRub ointment, which strengthens and warms. Heat slowly until the ingredients combine into a perfect blend. Pour into a bowl and let it cool. Apply the natural mask to your knee and feel how it relieves pain and supports tissue regeneration. Your knees deserve the best care. Aloe and a bit of warmth are enough to bring relief. Regular use of this mixture is the key to keeping your joints healthy and mobile every day.